Take a look at this desk. From the doorway, it looks perfectly spotless. But if we change the lighting and look closer at the invisible details, we see a different story. Most facility managers evaluate a room by scanning the center. They check the middle carpet, the main walkways, and the center conference table. The perimeter gets entirely ignored. Let's test this in your own workspace right now. I'm going to walk you through a real-time 3-point cleanliness audit of your facility. Finding residue in these spots confirms that your current cleaning service operates without a rigorous checklist. Treating a building as clean while ignoring the hidden perimeter leaves dust and allergens circulating in the air. This lowers air quality for your staff and immediately degrades your professionalism to visiting clients. Step 1. Walk to your front lobby. Run your finger along the top edge of a door frame or along the inner tracks of a sliding glass door. Standard cleaning crews completely miss these high-traffic spots. When they do touch them, they typically use dusters that simply agitate the surface layer, pushing the dirt around instead of actually removing it. This diagram shows the Royala difference. Notice how our industrial-grade split fibers act like tiny hooks, trapping and locking away 99. Spraying this down with standard, harsh chemicals will corrode internal components and permanently degrade your sensitive tech equipment. The required countermeasure is a hospital-grade, non-toxic disinfectant. These specific formulas destroy pathogens on contact while remaining completely safe for plastics and electronics. Now, expand your workspace audit. Look up at your air vents and down at your floor baseboards. Look at this airflow schematic. Dust from neglected baseboards is pulled upward by HVAC currents, drawn into intake vents, and showered back over your desk. Royala halts this cycle by hand-wiping vents and baseboards. Neutralizing the source returns airflow to a pure, particle-free state. Deep cleaning the tech workspace directly preserves indoor air quality and protects internal electronics from the overheating caused by heavy dust accumulation. Step 3. Walk into your facility's restroom. Look closely at the grout lines, the flush handles, and the soap dispensers. Deep scrubbing that grout and disinfecting high touch points is essential. But the invisible threat here is what the cleaning tools take with them when the crew walks out the door. Cross-contamination occurs when amateur cleaners take a rag or a mop used on a restroom floor and apply those exact same tools out in the main office. This top-down floor plan shows how a strict cross-contamination barrier works. By utilizing a color-coded system, like red mops and cloths designated solely for the restroom and blue isolated strictly for the desks, we physically guarantee absolute separation of pathogens between your building zones. Without a verifiable color-coded protocol in place, your standard cleaning service acts as a transport vector. They manually move biohazards from the bathroom stall directly to your employees' keyboards. Congratulations on completing your comprehensive facility audit. If you found dust or grime hidden in these invisible details, you have physical proof your current service is failing your facility. Imagine the Royala end state, an immaculately restored environment where every detail is managed, ensuring your office projects peak professionalism the moment a visiting client walks through the doors. Inside those doors, your staff operates in a significantly healthier workspace, supported by purified airflow and meticulously sanitized technology. We currently provide this level of precision to businesses across Orange, Seminole, and Volusia counties. Visit royalaservices.com today to book a professional walkthrough and begin restoring your facility to its peak.